Scientists have transformed cancer cells into muscles. Rhabdomyosarcoma is a malignant soft tissue tumor that mostly affects children. In a new study, scientists have managed to transform sarcoma cancer cells into muscle cells. This work opens the door to new treatment options. Rhabdomyosarcoma, RMS, is a particularly dangerous type of cancer that occurs primarily in children. It belongs to sarcomas, a group of aggressive tumors originating from connective tissue. Unfortunately, it often causes death. The results of recent research should be considered even more groundbreaking. Scientists have succeeded in transforming sarcoma cancer cells into healthy tissues. This could lead to the development of new therapies for this cruel disease. It could also lead to similar breakthroughs in the treatment of other types of cancer in humans. The description and results of the research were published in the journal Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences. Rhabdomyosarcoma usually begins in the skeletal muscle tissues, where mutations occur, causing the disease to gradually take over the child's body. Unfortunately, this extremely aggressive cancer often proves fatal. His chance of survival is 50 to 70%. Recently, however, scientists have achieved significant success in the fight against rhabdomyosarcoma. And it is spectacular because it managed to completely neutralize the cancer cells, or rather restore them to normal functioning within the body. The researchers were inspired by research previously conducted on another cancer that also occurs in children but develops in their bones. This is Ewing's sarcoma. The success of researchers in the fight against Ewing's sarcoma was based on the use of the so-called differential therapy. Well, just like in the case of traditional cells, cancer cells also go through an immature phase. This is somewhat reminiscent of the situation of stem cells, which only take a specific form, becoming specialized cells, differentiate. Cancer cells must also develop in this way. And in the case of Ewing's sarcoma, scientists have been able to reverse this process. In the new study, researchers applied a similar approach to rhabdomyosarcoma, and they were not discouraged by the opinions circulating in the scientific community that such a possibility is a matter of quite a distant future. They used genetic screening. In this way, an attempt was made to narrow down the genes suspected of being able to force rhabdomyosarcoma genes to continue developing into normal muscle structures. And they were able to target a specific protein called NFY. In the case of the development of this type of cancer, two genes encoding the transcription factors PAX3 and FOXO1 are important. The resulting PAX3FOXO1 gene encodes a protein that impairs the differentiation of muscle cells. This is how rhabdomyosarcoma develops. It turned out that inhibition of the NFY protein inactivates the PAX3FOXO1 gene. This, in turn, makes the cells that would divide in the normal development of the disease, contributing to the spread of the cancer, return to the proper tracks for the body, becoming healthy cells that are part of the child's muscles without any disease symptoms. Cancer cells literally turned into muscles. The tumor has lost all the characteristics of a tumor. These cells have switched from cells that just want to multiply to cells that are designed to shrink. Because all their energy and resources have been directed to contractions, they can no longer go back to multiplying, said Christopher Vakic of Cold Spring Harbor Laboratory. Most importantly, these groundbreaking research results could lead to significant advances in the treatment of other types of cancer as well.